Hi everyone. Today, I'm working on an image where I want to remove this person on the side. To do that, we'll use the Remove tool. It's the 8th tool down in the toolbar. Looks like a Band-Aid icon. Right-click on it, and choose Remove Tool from the options. Now, before we start, let's adjust the tool size. The default cursor is a bit small, so head up to the size slider and drag it to make the brush larger. This is important because a larger brush helps sample more of the background, which gives better results when removing objects. With that said, let's begin roughly painting over the person. The goal here is to include enough of the surrounding background in your selection so the tool can fill in naturally. As you can see, the first pass already did a decent job, but we can refine it a bit more. For instance, I'm going to smooth out this waterline on the beach and reshape the floor slightly by removing some extra sand. And just like that, the person is gone and the scene looks clean and natural. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.